Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create and customize your own landing page with Canva. So to create a landing page, what we're going to do is that we're going to try and find a landing page template, and you can try and search the template by using these search sections over here or the search sections on the create a design button. Either way, both worked the same, so you can just choose whichever method you want to do. For this tutorial, I'm going to search the templates from the main search box. So you can go ahead and insert landing page as your keyword, and as you can see, now you can scroll around and try to take a look at the different. From here, you can go ahead and choose on the templates that you feel are the most suitable to your website. And once you found something that catches your eyes, you can go ahead and click on the template. For example, I'm clicking on these templates over here. And once you click on it, you will see the details of the templates even more, whether these templates have more than just one pages. And if you ended up feel like these particular templates still have something that lacks, you can scroll down after you open a template to reveal more templates that will be similar to the first template that you are choosing. When you're searching for templates on Canva, what you want to take a look at is also the crown symbol on the bottom left of some templates, because that means that those templates can only be used if you are on premium user or you subscribe to Canva. If you're on free account, they will have watermarks and it will not look good at your end design. And this is the designs that I ended up choosing. I'm going to try and customize this one. Since this template is a design prototype, you can see that the design is being displayed on laptop, but don't worry, when you export it or once you download it, the laptop will not be a part of your design. So these templates that I ended up using give me 4 pages of different sections, so I'm going to go ahead and customize each pages. For the first page, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to change out the wording. I'm already liking the font already. Of course, you can always change the font from a template. You don't have to use every single element that the templates brings to you. But because I like this particular font, I'm just going to go ahead and change the wording from this brief explanation to the name of my brand. And to customize any wordings on a text box, you can just go ahead and click on the text box you want to change and then double click on it. And doing that will automatically highlight all of the wording that you would want to change. Now that I have inserted my title, what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to add a brief explanation of what my brand is. So I'm going to ask the help of ChatGPT for now. So I'm going to go ahead and go to ChatGPT. And I'm going to type out a short introduction for a skincare brand. And here is the result of my search on ChatGPT. I feel like it's a little bit too long for the first page, so I'm just going to go ahead and use these 2 paragraphs. I'm going to copy it and then I'm going to paste the text into my first page. After I'm done copy and pasting the wordings to my first page, I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the wording so that it's all going to be centered and it looks nice and tidy. Now, of course, in every landing page, you will have a button that you can link to another website. Maybe the link will bring you to your social media or maybe your online store. Basically, you can create that button with Canva. To do that, you can just go ahead and click on any wordings or any text that you would like to link to another website to. And then you're going to click on the triple little dots on the pop-up menu that are going to appear if you click on that particular text. And then you can go ahead and scroll down and click link. And then over here, you can just paste your link. You also have the options to link this page to another page, but usually for landing page, you will want that button to link on another website. And that's going to be it for my first page. I'm just going to customize the text and also adding some interactive button as well as inserting my brand name. And now we're going to go and customize our next page, which is the page 2. And it seems that the original page 2 of these templates shows for another introduction sections, but I think I've had enough of that on my first page, so I'm going to change the content of my second page instead. Since the brand that I have is a brand for skincare, I'm just going to change these pictures right here into skincare pictures. Obviously, if you're making it for your own store, you will want to insert your own picture because these are going to be displayed on your website. But for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and use a pictures from Canva. And as you can see, I'm typing in skincare on the search bar, and here I am inserting the picture to the template. If you notice, there is a watermark on the first pictures that I've inserted. That's because I accidentally choose a pictures that are supposed to be used only if I'm using a paid account. So I cannot remove the watermark if I'm using a free account. So I'm just going to go ahead and change that pictures. And you can add pictures to your templates by simply dragging the pictures into the available frame. You would want to avoid just clicking on the pictures, because what it does is that it's going to bring your picture to the middle of your design, and you don't want that. You want your pictures to just automatically adjust it into your frame. You can also adjust your frame even more by double clicking on the pictures and then drag it, enlarge it, or make it smaller, just however you want to change the picture. After I change all of the pictures, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add up some elements. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the element sections and then type in skincare for the keyword. And I found this cute skincare doodle, so I'm going to insert it into my second page. After I insert the element, I also adjust it and resize it a little bit so that it's going to look well with the rest of the design. And to resize your element or pictures, you can go ahead and click on the little dots on each corners of the elements or pictures, and then you can just drag it outward to make it bigger, or you can also drag it inward to make the object smaller. And that's going to be it for my second page. I am not going to change the wording because I already showed you how you can do that on the first page, and now I'm just going to go ahead and start to customize the third page of my landing page. On the third landing page, I can see that it has surfaces area, and it also has pictures, but the pictures doesn't look as clear as how pictures usually will be when you are inserting pictures into a template. And that is probably because after the pictures are inserted, they edit it again, and I'm going to show you how to edit your pictures later on in this video. So I ended up changing the layout a little bit. This template comes with a rectangle element with the dark colors on the bottom of the page. So what I did is that I'm just moving it to the upper side of the page. After that, I'm just going to change out the pictures on each of this square. And if you have a pictures or photo element, you're going to see an edit photo options on the top side of your screen. And over here, you can change some aspects of the picture, such as the brightness, the contrast, the highlight, as well as the shadows and the whites. So you can play around with the filters and try to figure out what kind of pictures you would want to present on your landing page. And that will be it for my third page. Again, I'm not going to try and change the wording, but of course, if you're making this for an actual landing page, you will have to make sure that every single detail of your design is well and good. Now, the fourth page that this template gave me is a page for contact info. And as you can see, this template already have a contact button, but I'm going to go ahead and add up more contact information such as Instagram, email, as well as phone number. But instead of showing it in the form of text, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to element sections, and then I'm going to type out the information that I would like to insert. For example, here I am inserting the Instagram logo. And then I'm going to change the colors of the logo so that it's going to blend well with the rest of the design. As you can see, the majority of colors in my designs are brown. So I changed the Instagram logo colored into a dark brown. The next contact that I would like to insert is an email. So I'm going to go ahead and search out email icon, and I'm going to customize it just like how I customize the Instagram logo. And the last icon that I'm going to insert into my contact page is a phone icon. And like I told you earlier, most elements are totally customizable and you can also link them to different websites. And once I'm done adding my icon, I'm going to show you another things that you can also do with Canva. So now you can add barcode directly from Canva. What you're going to do is that you're going to click on the apps menu, and then you're going to click on QR code, and then click open to start using the QR code tools. And after you do that, you will want to insert the link of whatever it is that you want your barcode to show. And it's pretty easy to use Canva barcode maker. Again, you just have to insert the link on this URL box and then you're good to go. And here I'm just going to make a barcode for a location link, and I just paste the link on the URL box and then I'm clicking on generate code, and as you can see, this is the barcode that Canva created for me. If anyone scan this barcode, they are going to go directly into the link of Google Maps because that was the link that I've inserted. Make sure to check on the QR code whether it's working properly or not by scanning it beforehand before you decided to publish it to your website or before you decided to share it to your friends. And this is the final result of my customized landing page. Once you're done designing, you can download your design by simply clicking on share and then scroll all the way down and you will find a download button. And that is how you can create your own landing page on Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.